the transfer planning team in Arup's Dublin office. Welcome to a day in my life.
So I live really close to the office, which is great, which means I can walk to work. This morning it was really sunny, so it was a really, really nice walk. And on my way, I pass a few landmarks in Dublin. So that's the Aviva there, and then the Liffey, and then I'm pretty much at the office. It's about a 5 or 10 minute walk, which is great. I usually arrive at the office around 9 a.m. And then I head up to the second floor. So the transfer planning team sit here. Here we all are here. There's about 20 of us in the Dublin office, and we sit as part of the planning department. So we are next to the environmental, the roads and the streets teams. A lot of the projects that I've worked on have involved transport assessments, development planning and master planning, and these all involve report writing and analysis and a lot of map work. So my team and I head downstairs where we have our in-house baristas. So we usually start our mornings this way, go down, grab a coffee, and then we head back upstairs to get stuck into our day. Tuesdays and Thursdays are fruit days in the office, so I'll usually grab something to head back to my desk, and then it's straight back to work. Recently, I've been helping the transport team in the UK with some GIS work. So here my task was to examine the road network in a city and then use this as an input into our transport model. In this case, we didn't want roundabouts in our model, so I was reclassifying these as their respective road type. And then this model will be used to inform development in this location and to support the project further. And then it was lunchtime. So 1 o'clock we all head out. My team and I, we go for a walk at the beginning of lunch and just get some fresh air. Luckily there's loads of shops near the office, so that's really nice. We bumped into some of the girls from the office, which was lovely, and then headed to the shops before going back to the office to eat.
As a transfer planner, a lot of my work is desk-based, so I'm in the office most days. We do also get out on site, which is fun, and there's always opportunities to attend some cool events.
Liam, Ernie and I, we all headed out to a site in Dublin, which was handy for all of us to do some traffic counts that would inform our project in this area. So we booked a meeting room and we shared our results and discussed our project. Speaking of cool events, earlier this summer I got to attend Velocity, which is the European Cyclists Federation annual conference. This year it was held in Gdansk in Poland, so that was really fun to get to travel to. And then I presented on a project that I've been working on for the past few months here in Arup. But back to my usual day in the office, I usually wrap up around 5:30 and then I head home. This evening it was actually really nice weather, so a bunch of us decided to play paddle. We went for a walk first, saw that dog, got a bite to eat, and then head to the gym for the evening. The grad program's been a great way to meet new people, and we're all really like-minded, so we've all become really close friends. If you're thinking of applying, I really think you should. I can't wait to do it all again tomorrow.